In this video, I want to show you how you can sign up rightly on Weex Exchange and how you can verify your account. So I'm going to take a step by step so that you do not mix anything, because I made a previous video and maybe because I will tell you just go and do this and then come back. Some persons who are new to crypto and who have not used these exchanges before find it very difficult to comprehend. And for that singular reason, let's take it one step at a time and follow me to the end if this is your first time. And in case you've been having confusion before or some things you've missed, you don't need to mix this video. However, before we start, my name is Gibeni. I am a crypto trader and also an investor, and I've been in this space for years, and with my experience, I believe I can guide you right. So in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, do hit the subscription button, except you like where someone talks very fast and make a lot of noise. But if you like a channel where you come and listen calmly and understand firmly, then hit the bell button right now, so that whenever I drop my video, you'll be the first to get notification. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the business. Step 1 is to register with Weex Exchange by having access to the right link. And to get the right link, you have to be in my Telegram channel. Though I also drop the link in the description. And in case I forgot to put it while uploading this video, just hit the comment section and comment Telegram link or Weex link, and I'll be glad to drop it for you. In case you have access to the Telegram link, you just have to come and search for Weex. Come to search bar and click on search. Search this way, Weex, and click on the search button. You're going to see one of 96 times. So click on the one you are seeing the link and it's going to bring you. So tap on the link and this is the right one. The more reason why you need to use this link is that you stand a chance of getting free $300 to start your trading journey. So first step you need to do is to put your email address here. I already have an account. I'm just going to write something inside here. I'm going to write maybe gibeni@gmail.com, right? And I'll click on sign up and receive a new user gift. Click on it. Now, I am not a robot. That is a captcha that you must fill. So tap on this box here and you have a little task to perform, and that is select all images with bicycle. Some might be bridges, some might be walkway, some might be crossroads, some might be cars, some might be bus. Whichever one that comes out for you, just read this and follow the instruction. So they say bicycle, I have to type on every place I see bicycle. And once I'm done and I'm sure, I'll just click on verify. And that is all. A code will be sent to my email address. Go to my email, copy the code, and then paste it here. You have 115 seconds to do this. If not, you have to start all over again. And once you've completed this, don't bother continuing this with your phone. If it's a laptop, then you can use your laptop. But trading with phone, then I do advise you should use the application. So just go straight to Play Store, right? And then search for Weex Exchange. Once you search for it, you're going to see it. Click on it and download and open. Once you've done that, log in your account, because after you completed the verification, you're asked to put your password. Your password usually comes with uppercase, lowercase, number, and character. Uppercase means capital letter, lowercase means small letter. Number is 0 to 9, and character like hash, full stop, star, whichever one that is your favorite and you know you're not going to forget, then use it. And then use the same password and your email to log in here. Once you've logged in, that will take us to step 2. And step 2 is to come to this menu button here to verify your account. So tap on it and you see unverified, meaning that you've not verified the account. Now look at this one here, verified. That is my account. Now let me explain the two. Unverified means that you have limited operations on this app. They will allow you to make a deposit, but they will not allow you to make a withdrawal. And sometimes you might even have limit of transaction you can do depending on the verification ties that you meet up with. But it's very important to verify before depositing your money. So for you to verify rather, click on this sign here at the end, and then you're going to see your account. That is your email address. You see your UID, that is your username on this platform. Whenever you want to chat the customer care, you always ask for UID. Look at it here, copy it and always give to them. Then alias is the name you want to be seen. So I can always put my own as Gibeni, just as I usually do. I'll just write Gibeni. And then you click on confirm, and that's all. And then you have pick VIP picks, ignore that for now, and then go straight to ID verification. This is what matters. Click on the verified button here, and it's coming up. Now, non-doc verification, complete your data verification, and also you're going to take a selfie. It's going to take you 2 minutes, like it's in here. So what you need to do is to click on continue. Now you're a Nigerian. If you're not in Nigeria, select your country by tapping on this place, you see, and then put it. But because I'm in Nigeria, my IP has already identified me, so it's here. Copy your BVN. You must have a BVN. You operate with banks. There's nothing wrong with giving out your BVN. It's just to verify that you are the one that is managing this account. And then paste the BVN here and then click on continue. Once that is done, the next step they're going to show you is to upload a valid ID card. NIM, driver's license, international passport. Now, take note. If your NIM is paper, do not upload, they will never verify. They only verify plastic ID card or your international passport. So if your NIM is plastic, upload. If not, use driver's license or international passport. If you don't have an international passport, get yourself one, because one day you must be going for vacation, and that's the reason why you want to start trading. Do that. It costs less than $100. Quickly go and get it and then use it to verify your account. And of course, even if you don't own a car, get yourself a driver's license. That is a step of faith that you're about to own a car after joining us in this trading journey. Yes, certainly. Once you're done with that, you're going to ask to take a selfie of your face. And of course, the instruction is going to be there. Once you are done, boom, that is all. Don't tell me this is difficult. So I spent 7 minutes just to explain something that can be done in 3 minutes, because I don't want you to come back and say, I do not know how to verify my account. The next video, I'm going to show you how to deposit, how to trade the spot, how to trade the futures. And I'll be making videos on the app explaining things that you should know about the app and new features that are popping up. And that is if you hit the subscription button on this channel and share this video to your family, anyone you think that needs this video. And of course, leave a comment. See, when you like my video, the YouTube algorithm is going to give it more reach. And when you comment, they're going to boost it more. Please just do that so that when making video, you'll be so excited to do this video for you. My name is Gibeni, and you know the next. I'm out.